Ever wonder why you can't get confident with tarot? In this video, I'm sharing 5 tarot confidence tips that might be tripping you up too. I thought I had to know what every card meaning was before I could start doing a reading. You figure by knowing the meanings, you'll feel confident to call yourself a reader. Worrying you're going to get it wrong makes you forget and doubt those memories, actually. So confidence comes from using your cards, not studying them like flashcards. So try this instead. Pick one card a day and notice what it says to you. It's way more powerful to learn by doing than by cramming. I kept waiting for the day where I'd feel so totally confident reading for someone else before I actually did it. It never came. You don't want to mess up or give a bad reading, so you're waiting for that perfect moment. You feel totally sure. That moment doesn't show up. Confidence is something you build by practicing and playing with your deck. Honestly, you might always have a little bit of fear or lack of confidence. That might never go away. Do it anyways. It's like stage fright. Even famous people have it, but they still get on stage. Start small, read for a friend, keep it simple. And remember, you don't need confidence. You're looking for proof that you know what you're doing. You only get that from practicing and noticing what actually happens when you do a reading. And if you want extra help, grab my free tarot cheat sheet. It's designed to make it simple and fun and a way for you to understand tarot. Easy way. Links in the description below. I used to pull clarifiers for every card I doubted. More cards should mean more clarity, right? But too many cards just muddy the message and make you doubt yourself even more. So instead, try sitting with a card and exploring what it might mean. Give yourself time to absorb the card and see how it relates, because clarity comes when you slow down and notice. Become an artist of energy. Notice what you notice and how you notice it. Yeah, that's a lot of noticing. Get the picture? I thought real readers just knew right away, like being psychic was a prerequisite to learning tarot. If you really were intuitive, you'd just know without hesitation. They say trust the first thing that comes, but intuition takes time to warm up. That's totally normal. The more you practice, the faster it comes. Doesn't mean you're bad or broken if it's not immediate. It just means your intuition works on its own time, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. I heard you needed the right moon phase or certain energy to get the clearest reading. So I held off because the moon wasn't right, or Mercury was doing backflips or something, which was just an easy excuse to avoid feeling insecure and unsure. But the power and magic comes from intention, not when the stars line up. And the best time to read is whenever you pick up your cards. That's all it takes. When you're feeling stuck, remember, you grow by showing up, making mistakes, and trusting yourself a little more every day. Confidence isn't something you memorize or wait for. So keep playing with your cards. Keep noticing. Keep reading. We'll see you in another video. Peace.